corner, she want the corner, my location. She want to dominate on top with this in my plantation.
Alright, so good day to everybody out there, you know what I mean? About forget in a video right now. You know what I mean? A little regular makeup. Tweak up, you know? Alright, so now you can brush in your edge them, you know, get the edge them laid, you know what I mean? Prep. Right now, forget in the main look. You see me I say? So yeah, get the edges them proper. You know what I mean? Then we're gonna use some face cream. I don't know what is name. You know what I mean? I never get to see the name. But yeah, we rub it in. You know, this is the first step to the application process. So rub it in, and I mean get it nice and even. Yeah, I'll just go and rub it from. I'm not putting on power arm, from forehead or none of that. You know what I mean? I just from under your eyes to your chin area and the rest of your face. Now we use another face powder, you know what I mean? Not face spray, like two on each side. You know what I mean? Then now we're gonna touch up our underbrows. You know what I mean? Get that looking nice and sharp and sleek. And then we'll just brush it in and make it even. You know what I mean? Yeah, after that now we'll brush in the application. We'll just put on the face cream here. So use a brush and we'll try to even it out. Brush it in. Make it smooth. One consistency. Then now we're gonna focus more and get the underbrows them some more detail. And then yes, you're gonna draw for the sponge egg. You know the sponge egg got to work from them time, they from Atala time, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is how we make the magic happen, you know what I mean? So we do the same thing on the next side, make it even and smooth. You know what I'm saying? Some people they can use a brush, but you know, the sponge egg make it better, give a better flawless finish. Yeah, so your preference to whichever you want to use, but I recommend using the sponge egg. So that part here now, just I use a brush and just fill it in, fill in, you know what I mean? This I go highlight the contours them now. After this we are prep for going at the contour section now. You know what I mean? Touch up back eyelash them or eye underbrows before say. You know what I mean? Yeah. We are going to brush it out and pat it in and make it set, you know what I mean? Yeah, we are set the face right now. I set the look right now. Right, so now we can take out some of the sheen from off our forehead, you know, forehead kind of shiny and things. So that now we, you know, to make your forehead so shiny. So I do the line in our nose bridge now. Yeah. Get that right now. Our cheek area. So we are bringing the contour now. You know what I mean? So part you have to pay keen attention to. You know what I mean? You know, if you do it and it look too chiseled, you know what I mean? You know, want the look they want it like just like barely have the definition where you want it to have. You know what I mean? Because you know your face look tough like stone. Them call it stone face. So yeah, not too much, make it mild like that. You know, I mean, get a nice little definition to the contours them. We use a different shade now under the brows them now for create some level of contrast. You know what I mean? That are going right now. So yeah, don't try to use too much. You know what I mean? Because you know you want it to have like that little graduated look there. You know what I mean? You want to look and like you can see the separation, like defined separation. You don't want that. So now we have the eyelids them now, right above the eyelash them. Yeah. See that? It's a different look coming right now. Yeah. Of course the next side we're gonna do the same thing to the next side. Touch up the eyelash them and them things there, you know what I mean? Touch up our contour some more. know that's something. And now we have the face mist spray. Yeah, so we'll do that, apply that now, then we'll use a fan and cool it down. So this I got help set your makeup, you know what I mean? This is the setting process type that go lock in now. So you can have that look, finished look, polished, defined, finished look. So now we'll go lower lash them. Yeah, give that some color. You know what I mean? With some, have a stronger definition, and that underline the highlight of the look. You know what I mean? It's your face just even and just properly tone and just smooth out and thing. Yes. So this is how, you know what I mean, you achieve that look here. So yeah, not really much to it. You know what I mean? And then we'll just go back to edges them again now and set it. Make sure them layered and slayed. Lips time now. Yeah, so we are give lips them a glassy finish. Yeah, for accentuate the matted look of the face. Eat here. Yeah. So that's it. Oh, and I eat that. Oh, see it? Don't think could it done, we never done. So now this is the finished look. You know what I mean? This is like a rock star, preppy, edgy look, you know what I mean? Yeah, I like that look here. So yeah, guys, this is it. Fix it here, like, yeah, go back, yeah, dark, yeah, go back to right there. So yeah. This is the end product. This is the finished look. So guys, hope you enjoy watching this, you know what I mean, and hope you take proper notes so you can achieve the look here accurately, you know what I mean. We're going into the get ready with me segment now, so you know I have a coach bag, you know I have to spray up and smell good, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, Coco Chanel pan them. You know some girl I wear the for women. That no work. That no work around here. So yeah. Now we're here at the end of the video. Just you know, I flex a little bit, flaunt a little bit. You know what I mean? Muggling a little bit. Alright peeps, take care, live good, walk good, and stay blessed.
Can we get it together?